Three, two, one.
Blast off!
Let's
We're
go!
done. Here we go.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. No,
Eleven.
count down now.
8,
7, 6, 5,
5, 4,
3.
3, 2,
2,
1.
Blast off!
Let's go!
We're done.
Hello! Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at the smoke.
There she goes. Out of space.
So Ryan, on a new era of American spaceflight, the new generation continuing to dream. 20 seconds into flight stage of propulsion is nominal.
Look at that.
There she goes. Out of space. On its way to the space station.
Yeah.
Flying crew on board Dragon
It's
is
going to be a
now
wild ride sitting in the back.
operational.
Launching up and landing in the back and straight up.
So the door.
Me?
And 1D throttle down.
We're throttling
Full
down to
line.
get ready for the period of maximum dynamic pressure. Bring the throttle up it. Reports say all systems are go.
We go.
We exceeded Mach 1 on the Falcon 9.
Yeah.
And 1D throttle
We're throttling back up to full power as we're
It's
third
standing
max
now.
speed.
Mhm.
up. Copy 1 throttle.
It's so yellow.
We heard that one throttle call out. That's just the
You can
second
literally
fourth
see
zone
it.
that they're in. They'll continue to be on this. So the first stage has done its job.
I'm
We'll switch
comfortable.
over to the second. At this point, Bob and Doug pulling about 2.3 Gs, 2.3 times the Earth's gravity, already floating at
Oh, in the world.
100 miles per hour.
They're from there live. Really
Engine
interesting.
ready to light. That's coming up. 244 into flight. Right now, everything continuing to look good. Next major event
Looking good.
coming up is going to be the triple. We'll have main engine cutoff of the 9 first stage engines, steady separation,
Uh-oh.
and then ignition of the second stage engine to continue to carry.
Bottom part of the rocket's going to come off
Uh-oh.
Why?
because they go to the next stage. The
Coming
two
up in
stages.
about 20 seconds.
20 seconds, first stage will detach. Will come off.
We heard we're throttling down the Merlin engines on the first stage. And we have Miko.
There it goes.
Eco.
Falcon stage
Hold on,
separation
son.
confirmed.
Oh my goodness. It's a drop.
And next
And
one,
back
kick
again.
in.
All right, we have stage separation confirmed. The first stage beginning its flight back. The second stage being powered by the signal Merlin 1D vacuum engine has ignited.
Gonna
This
do
is
it
now
right now.
carrying Bob and Doug into orbit. So they're going to continue under the power of this second stage,
Safety propulsion is nominal.
which will cut off at
Yes,
Seco.
yes,
The
and
second
we're
engine
gone.
cut off about 8 minutes and 44
Yeah,
seconds
line.
into today's flight. So a little over 5 minutes to go still on this second stage. You're the call out to Alpha, so they're now in the longest abort zone that carries them all the way from about North Carolina up the eastern seaboard, almost to Canada. Things looking good though, getting good call outs, nominal propulsion on that second stage. Bob and Doug continuing to make their way into orbit.
It's still not in orbit yet.
Dragon
stage Long ways
nominal
off.
trajectory.
If you don't get in orbit, you fall down.
Acquisition
Mhm.
signal number.
SpaceX Dragon nominal trajectory.
All right, here in nominal trajectories, the Dragon pointed in the right direction, continuing to make their flight uphill. Heard acquisition of signal Bermuda, that's one of the other ground stations that they're using to get telemetry and data back from this spacecraft.
Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal.
Nominal means normal. Launch America. one yet. The one he built that.
A little over 4 minutes, 40 seconds into
Yeah,
the
that's all.
flight. Bob and Doug flying at more than 5,600 miles
Driving
per hour.
SpaceX nominal trajectory.
Already almost 200 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Nominal trajectory continuing.
CNN would be talking, not talking.
And while they continue up, it looks like we are getting a view of the first stage as well.
Up on your right screen, you can see that first stage with the grid pins deployed. It's making its way back to attempt to land on our drone ship.
First stage
Of course,
gonna
I
land.
still love you today. We're just about a couple minutes away from the entry burn, and that's where 3 of the 9 Merlin engines do ignite to help slow the vehicle down as it re-enters back into the Earth's atmosphere. And then after the entry burn will be the landing burn, which is just a single
Driving
engine.
SpaceX nominal trajectory.
And you heard,
Nominal.
Starting to
as that call out, they are still on a nominal trajectory on Dragon, still on second stage, and that's that MVAC engine on second stage on your left screen. Again, on your right screen is that first stage booster coming back
That's the first stage.
towards
Is that
our joint
attached?
ship. Of course, I still love you. We're about a minute away from
It's gonna
entry
actually
burn.
come back to the earth and land like we use it.
Meanwhile, that second stage continuing to power Dragon into orbit. Again, if you're keeping an eye on that timer, that's going to continue to burn until 8 minutes and 44 seconds into flight. So a little over 2 minutes from now, we'll hear the call out SECO. It'll then be a little
Safety propulsion is still good.
over 3 minutes until Dragon physically separates from the second stage of the Falcon 9 after the upper
Driving
stage gets a
SpaceX
chance.
nominal trajectory.
Dragon copy, nominal trajectory.
Continuing to check in with Bob and Doug. They are on a nominal trajectory. Just about 10 seconds away from that first stage. Starting that entry burn on your right screen, we should be able to see that view live.
Stage 1 entry burn started.
And there is that entry
There it
burn.
goes.
beginning.
First stage.
This burn lasts about 36 seconds long.
Stage 2 FTS system.
Re-entered the first stage. So we come back to earth.
Well, that entry burn continues. We're just about a minute away from SECO. We'll have a number of events all happen in rapid succession. It'll be the second engine cut off.
Stage 1
We'll be
entry
looking
burn
for that stage 1 landing burn shortly after.
Actually, just within a few seconds of each other. Such a cool view on your left screen, seeing Bob and Doug on Dragon. And now you can see the displays that they are seeing right now
Terminal
themselves.
guidance.
And back Charleston.
You got me? Mind
We are coming up 25 seconds or so away from SECO, or second engine cutoff.
This is also the point where Bob and Doug are experiencing their highest G-force. We're seeing the counter tick up to right about 1.8.
Bobby Shannon.
You heard Shannon, so that just means they're in their final abort zones. If they were to abort at this point, it would either be in abort to orbit or to land off the coast of Ireland, standing by for second confirmation.
And back down on set. And back shut down. Did one way.
No wearing masks. Social distancing.
Confirmation of SECO's second engine cutoff.
Now we are waiting for our first stage to make its way to our drone ship. Of course, I still love you.
Driving SpaceX nominal orbital insertion.
First stage is going to come and land on the ship.
Confirmation nominal
Captain
orbital
Captain,
insertion.
nominal orbital insertion.
What you're seeing on your screen is a live view of our drone ship, where our first stage will be coming down. Looks like we lost that live view, but we'll wait for confirmation of that landing shortly here.
Falcon 9 first stage, successfully landed.
And there you can
first stage.
To
The
carry
astronauts
the
take space.
humans to orbit, so
The
very
astronauts
exciting for us.
That's the first stage.
And as you can see on your right
We
screen,
lost the
Bob
signal
and
there
Doug
when we
are
landed.
still making their way to their targeted orbit.
Penalty recovery one.
So exciting today.
It doesn't stop.
It does not stop.
All right, we did hear again that call out good orbital insertion, so that means Falcon 9 and Dragon right now exactly where they're supposed to be.
Penalty to FRC on recovery one.
And it's right at about 12 minutes when the Dragon will separate. Looks like we saw a zero-G indicator floating around there, and it wants to know us a little bit about what exactly that is that they brought up with them.
The Dragon.
And before separation, before Dragon initiates separation from the second stage, they do
You
make
didn't
sure
spaceship the Dragon?
they do ensure that the vehicle is not spinning and is in good condition before we separate.
That's right, the upper stage does small attitude maneuver using cold gas thrusters built into the rocket body itself.
Exactly. So we do expect that separation to occur in about a minute from now, but they do wait until they have full confirmation that it is ready to separate. Such cool views. I cannot get over this view that we are seeing right now. Bob and Doug on the right screen, inside
How
of the
fast is it
Dragon,
spinning?
out in space.
Yeah, already 200 kilometers over planet Earth, or a little over 124 miles, traveling in excess of 2,700 meters, 27,000 meters per second, or about 16,000 miles per hour.
So 16,000.
Again, we're just standing by. That separation event should be coming up shortly. Then they'll begin a series of checks on the Draco thrusters that are going to be used to maneuver and then power Dragon on its flight to the International Space Station. Standing by for separation.
Expected loss of signal holds.
It sounds like we had an expected LOS loss of signal with one of the ground stations. Waiting for confirmation now of that
Dragon separation confirmed.
Second stage.
Dragon separation confirmed.
There is a great view right in front of you of Dragon separating. And there's that call out. Dragon is now officially making its way to the International Space Station today.
Excited.
Dragon SpaceX with that separation call. We have a few words for you from our Falcon 19.
Stand by.
Dragon, Chief Engineer on Dragon to ground. Bob Duck, on behalf of the entire launch team, thanks for flying the Falcon 9 today. We hope you enjoyed the ride and wish you a great mission.
Thanks, Bob. Congratulations to you and the F9 team for the first human ride for Falcon 9. And it was incredible. Appreciate all the hard work and thanks for the great ride.
Falcon 9 we call it Dragon.
Go.
All right.
I don't know what it's called.
Proud of you guys and the rest of the team. Thank you so much for what you've done for us today, putting America back in